Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Righto guys, again, there just wasn't enough time for me to go and set up everything to record the video before closing out all the trades. But if you can remember correctly, I think let's just go to the account. If we look over here at the last trades, we had, or at least I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 open trades, and the 6th order was still lying, it wasn't activated. And at a time, yes, it was very deep into the red. I think it was something like minus $500, almost 50% of what the account is, right? And yes, it was how must I put it to you, it was quite far down into the red, and I was very, very much concerned about it at that point of stage. Righto guys, so now as you can see, the first trade that we did ended in a minus $84 loss. The second trade in a minus $35 loss. The third one, $13 profit. The the fourth trade, $62 profit, and the fifth one, $111 profit. Now, guys, I must say, really, when you've got 5 or 6 trades open against you already, and 50% of the account is in the red already, that is when you really do start getting worried about things. You start stressing it up. But luckily, the yen turned around and it lost a bit of ground against the dollar, and it went right up into our favor, and managed to cancel all trades in a profit. Guys, to me the system looks good, but you are trading leverage. And I personally do not like to trade leverage. To be very honest with you, if you have a look, you'll see it's a demo account that I'm busy trading this on, testing this on. It has been doing very good ever since I've put it onto the yen dollar, and I must say it looks very good, but I will still be very wary of putting real money onto it, because guys, leverage trading, I just can't agree with it. Too many times I've lost big time using leverage, and even nowadays while I'm trading crypto with real money and my live accounts, I must say, even I've got a very small amount of money I put onto leverage trading and futures leverage on the crypto markets, and I must say at the time the account went right up. I mean, I tripled the money, and then it came down again. Guys, I will make a video on that a little bit later on. I first want to gather more information, as I'm still busy testing different strategies. But once I've found a strategy that is looking good, I will share it with you. But for the meanwhile, this Japanese yen or the dollar yen trade, it is really looking very good. If I must take it, I mean, like I told you before, this account here was minus, it had about $400 left in it before when I switched to the Japanese, the USD yen, and has gone right up to $61 in the credit already. So that means, we have gone almost just over $600 up already, which is very good. So we've made more than 100% profit. Guys, to me it's good, really it is. If I look at the amount of trades that we've done, you can even page up over here, you can see them all. You can just see them all, the Japanese yen trades. They're all really the Euro USDJPY pound yen trades. Those are the bad ones where we took a loss. But from over here where the traders started trading the Japanese yen, just have a look at it, guys. Have a look at it. Everywhere, hey? Everywhere there's been profits on every single run. I call it a run. From where I start to where I end, I call it a run. So it is time for me to set up the next run. Let's go and have a look at it. I've been talking too much already. Righto, and we just pull this right over here again, and once again, market execution, I'm just going to buy yen. Righto, and I've bought yen, and now I'm just going to put a take profit onto it. Let's go back to the trade. Let's go put a take profit onto over here. Modify 153, so the profit is going to be at 154.55. Right, and that's where our take profit is going to be on that trade. There it is. So I'm going to put another 2 orders down below it, right, and that's going to be a pending order at 100 pips below that one at the price 150. We entered 153, so 152.55 will be the first one. There it is. The next one will be at 151, huh? Righto, and let's go and have a look at the next one. Again, a pending order of 150 with that 151.55. Righto. Okay, and then we've got 2 orders lying below it. We could put a third one in as well, it doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to put in 2 over here, and let's see where it goes to, guys. I'll keep you updated as it goes along. For the meanwhile, I think it's working quite well. I'm quite happy with it, but I've got the fear that it could wipe out the entire account at any moment. It's possible, it can happen. Trading leverage, guys, is very, very dangerous, honestly, and unless you're really a very good trader, I wouldn't advise you to do it. Honestly, you know, like on my main crypto account, I'm trading on a weekly chart. I'm looking at the main big time frame. I buy and I hold, and I will still get to that. I will make a video on it at a later stage. Righto, guys, with that said, let's hope it's going to run into our favor, and let's see what's going to happen.